you can cook. And today this one goes out to my subscriber and good friend and former co-worker Angela, who said she wanted something with tomatoes. We have sliced tomatoes here. She wanted something with chicken breast. We have skinless, boneless chicken breast right here. And she likes Parmesan. So I've got a garlic Parmesan seasoning blend from Weber. You can get this, I got this at Club de la Sangs, or any of your favorite retailers. I got 2 tablespoons of it right here. I've added some pepper, orange this time, sliced. I've got some Lacinato Kale, regular kale would work. If you go to the fresh market or one of those types of grocery store, this is something called black cabbage. It is sometimes called Lacinato Kale. I hope I'm saying that right. Lots of different names for it. But it cooks very well with chicken and dishes like this. I've got 1 medium-sized shallot. Once again, those are found in the onion section. I've got this chopped. I've got just my good old container of olive oil here because I'm going to be sprinkling it. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to put on. And everybody loves some honey. And a little secret here, we're going to have some balsamic vinaigrette. A splash of it. Once again, I can't tell you an exact measurement. I can't tell you an exact measurement. Slow down, Greg. But I can just sprinkle it on. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. We're about to give away another apron, about to hit another 100 subscribers. Very excited here at Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. Don't forget to contact me. We've done 1 video with an official taste tester. Don't mind having someone else on. And if you'd like to present something that you cook here, this is about you, because today you are going to make Angela's chicken with Parmesan and garlic spice blend. Alright everybody, we'll get back into a close-up here of what we're doing over here on the countertop. You won't see me anymore, that's not a bad thing. We'll show the prep and then how we put it in the oven. Let me say right now, let's preheat your oven before we get this going too well to 350 degrees on the roast setting. Alright, now, here's the simple part. We're going to have this kale. We cut this into fourths, okay? Took the large stem out. We're just going to place that as a bed. This is back to some of my earlier cooking. This is 1 dish, 1 meal. Alright, so we're going to put that out right there. Simple as that. We're going to sprinkle just a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette on the leaves. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Like I said, there's no measuring involved here. Alright, lay that out. A few of the sliced Roma tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. I forgot to mention that. We sliced 3 of them. My friend likes tomatoes. Miss P likes the tomatoes. Alright, and then at this point I sprinkle just a little bit of the garlic Parmesan mix on there. Alright, can't be too generous with this. You can kind of sprinkle that through. Alright, and then next we have the chicken. We're going to bring that over here where we can see it. Take the chicken and I sprinkle both sides. This has salt in it. Once again, as I like to say, if this spice blend has salt in it, I am leery to add salt. For the simple fact, we don't want to oversalt our food. Oversalting our food can make anything taste, a little too much. We don't want to do that. Pretty liberal with this. Alright, garlic Parmesan. Pretty liberal. Coat it pretty heavily on both sides. And here comes the hard part. We're going to put it right there on top of the greens. Alright, now, take the rest of the vegetables, apply them throughout, covering on top lightly. We're going to let a lot of the vegetables do a lot of the work for the flavoring. First one in the bell peppers, next goes in the shallots. Be liberal with it, try to get some on top of the meat, just like so. Alright, then the tomatoes, we're going to cover the rest like that. Whatever you got left of those 2 tablespoons of seasoning, sprinkle it generously on top. Yes, we are baking these greens. That's a little different. I'm going to take your balsamic vinaigrette, light sprinkle across again, not too heavy on it. Honey, not too heavy on it, just a light glaze. Nothing scientific. Don't want you to measure anything. Just more about feel. After that, olive oil. Same thing. Couple counts on the olive oil. Make sure you kind of get it over the top of the meat and any of the greens on the outside edges. Ta-da! Meal prep is done. Temperature probe. Find your thickest part, put it in, set to 165, put it in the oven. We'll come back and see in just a little bit. Okay, everybody, we had the initial blast of warning from the thermometer. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. We have let this bake to 165 degrees Fahrenheit with Angela's Parmesan garlic chicken with fresh tomatoes. Well, they're not fresh now with tomatoes. And I used the Lacinato Kale, but you can use regular kale, some bell peppers. And what I'll do now at this point is I'll take the chicken off. Smells fantastic, that Parmesan and garlic by Weber. Sometimes you don't have to get 20 spices out of your cabinet. See that crispy right there? You're just rehydrating those greens. Now I'll serve this on a bed of rice, or the side of rice more than likely. And we'll have a nice picture of that at the end of the video. For instance, just plating. I'll set some greens here. And I'll serve this with rice. Put your chicken right here on top. Some of the colorful tomatoes. Remember, cooking is about presentation. It makes you feel good. What does Billy Crystal used to say? It's better to look good than to feel good. In this case, you got the best of both worlds. There you go. Little plating example here. You got the different colors. That's why I use the yellow pepper and the green. Be creative. Make it nice. Friends will like it. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day. And thank you for joining us here on Heck Yeah, You Can Cook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.